Well, boys, my miles of mayhem's over.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah. Go.
Well, unfortunately, obviously I'm not at the track today, so day 4 of Miles of Mayhem, I'm not really going to have any coverage. I apologize for that. We got back to the house here about 3:30 in the morning last night, and I mean, after not sleeping for the rest of the earlier part of the week, I just, decided we're not in it. Like, get some sleep. We're about to head over, grab the truck and trailer, make our way back to the truck, load it up. By the time we do all that, I don't know if the track is still going to be open or if anyone would even be there. So we might just beeline it to Nisku and meet up with everyone at the hotel. And then we'll be at the track for the final day, day 5. So at least get coverage of that. So I apologize for missing today, day 4. Really, I wish I could be there, obviously. You have no idea how much, but it is what it is. This is racing. I mean, you got to expect to have breakdowns. This stuff happens all the time and to everybody. It's not a matter if, it's a matter of when. So stick with me. I'll have a video up for tomorrow's race. Obviously, I'll document the travels here, recovering my vehicle, but not going to be much racing today, that's for sure. Well, I can't thank Mike, Markley Built Enough, for lending me this truck to get us home lending us that truck to get us home last night. He said we rolled in about 3:30 in the morning. We're both pretty tired still, but slept in this morning. That's why we didn't make it to the track today. And I gotta say thank you to Norm as well for lending me this truck so I can go and get my 40. So Wife's gonna drive that one back to Mike's. I'll take this one. We'll go pick up the 40 and then head on up to Nisku to meet up with you guys. Well, just got back to the truck. Guess we'll get it on the trailer and start making our way to Nisku to meet up with everybody. We made it to Nisku safe and sound. Not whether we're racing tomorrow, but we'll be at the track, so we'll see you there. And yeah, we'll be in the pits filming, hanging out, visiting all day, so stop by for sure. Well, just to give you a little idea what's going on with the truck anyway, when I parked on the side of the hill after the bridge there a day before yesterday, threw in park, whatever, went to back up to line up with everyone else there, and no reverse. put in drive, no drive. So I just coasted down the hill, shut it off. Didn't really want to deal with it at that point, but yeah, when we went to leave, it kind of would move and drive, but then it started slipping as soon as you're moving. Clicked it down to second gear was there, same thing, kind of started slipping on the top end. Is able to climb to the top of the hill at first, but yeah, not good. So, whatever. It is what it is. We got it loaded up. We'll take it home. I'll rebuild it. Better, faster, stronger. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep the 60 in here. I mean, I've got enough hard parts in it. It should hang together. I'm starting to wonder if there's maybe a valve body issue or something. Who knows? It's a line pressure thing that keeps burning the clutches out of it. So it doesn't make a whole lot of sense that it's just the clutches. So we'll tear it apart and we'll see what actually happened and make a decision from there, whether maybe it's getting a 400 or what we're doing. So stick around because that footage will be coming in the coming weeks, but we'll get after it. Let you know what's going on. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Ryan, 780 Speed and Custom, tuning out.